Good morning and welcome to Paul T's World. And in this video, I'm going to do some lawn care. Now, I haven't done anything with the front lawn for a number of years. So right now, I'm going to mow it, do the edges, scarify it, and put down some lawn weed and feed, just in time for the rain. At least I'm getting good use out of the outrageously expensive hoary knife. Seems to work okay. I really must get that door oiled. Let's see if this works. Not been used for a year. Of course, looking at it will help. Let's have another go. Yep, that's fixed it. Hey, now we're cooking on gas. I think I'll use the over-the-shoulder look. I hate those cables. Must get a battery scarifier for Christmas. That cable is going to get scarified in a minute. Is this new fancy camera following me? Yep, it is. Rain is forecast in the next day or two, which is an ideal time to put down the lawn, weed and feed. If you found my video useful, please give it a like and I'll see you next time in Paul T's World. Bye.